In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use posemy.art with ChatGPT to create awesome posed character images. Please go to the description to get all the website addresses and prompts used in this tutorial. Left-click will rotate the view, right-click will move the camera, and the mouse wheel will zoom in or out. Click anywhere in the model to select a segment and rotate it. Something like that. This is the light source. We can always select a model and hit delete to remove it. There are more 3D meshes we can use. We can also add props. I always start a new project with a pre-made scene like this. Go to the camera, take a screenshot, and open it in ChatGPT. Let's create a before and after YouTube thumbnail as well. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.